Nice!
In a medium saucepan, bring broth, water and rice to boil. Lower your heat, cover and simmer until the rice is tender and all the liquids absorbed for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the bell pepper into bite-sized pieces, halve the cherry tomatoes, coarsely chopped scallions, and dill. Now let's make a dressing. In a small bowl, combine lemon juice, olive oil, mustard. Transfer your rice into a big bowl. After your rice is cooled slightly, add the bell peppers, tomatoes, scallions, herbs, tuna, toss all your ingredients to combine and enjoy your beautiful salad.